Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. We're here to talk about this figure right here. The Shibuya Scramble's 1/7 scale Konosuba Megumin explosion version. If you don't know who Megumin is, she's from the series Konosuba. She's the wizard that only knows one spell. That's a nuke. If you haven't watched the series, go watch it. It's a good series, it's funny. It's really a good series. It should still be available on Crunchyroll, so yeah, give it a watch. This figure, she's a nice looking figure. She's definitely a nice looking figure. She has flame effects here. Her colors pop out. We got Shimosuke the cat. We got a removable hat. We got a great action pose. It's a nice looking figure. It's one of the few figures that actually matches the prototype to a T. With all of that being said, people who have gotten this figure before me, because my figure, or at least the batch that this figure came from, was delayed by a month. And in total, there has been 3 batches. So the first batch had issues where that paint was rubbing off by just handling the figure. The reason why paint rubs off usually is because people forget to apply a top coat, a clear top coat. The second batch of this figure, this base, the pegs on this base, were breaking. The second issue was in regards to the cape itself, where the pegs on the cape were inverted. So the pegs didn't match the holes. Now the third batch, which is what I have here, and you're all expecting, oh my god, what can be wrong? Thankfully, nothing. My figure didn't come with any issues, which I'm happy about. Now, I did have to be a little bit forceful in putting everything in place, just a little bit, and you can watch how much force and effort I was putting into it. I actually recorded the unboxing and assembling process this time around. So the whole thing about this figure and why I'm about it is because this company, Eastring, is charging a premium. For this figure alone here, what I paid for with shipping and handling was around 43,000 yen, which translates to about $412 US. That's a lot of money for a figure that's had issues like what I just told y'all. That's really all I have to say about it. This is Shibuya Scramble's 1/7 scale Konosuba Megumin explosion version. Until next time, mata ne.